Hello everybody, how are we doing? And welcome to Don Amott Leisure. As you probably know, and hopefully know by now, my name's Steve, and welcome to the showground, where today we're going to have a look round this new in stock. It's not a new model, but it is new into our stock. 2020 Auto Trail F-72. Now, it's just over 7.3 metres long, 3.5 tonne, so you can drive it on a standard licence. And this is the 170 brake horsepower, 2 litre automatic engine. Done just under 12,000 miles. The main thing and the main selling point is it is a 4 travelling, 6 sleeping. So it is a 6 berth and you can travel 4 people. So let's start off on the outside. For those of you familiar to Auto Trail, you'll know that you'll get a couple of packs and add-ons and things. This one has had the driver's pack and the looks pack. So the driver's pack will include body coloured door bumpers. They're not door bumpers. Body coloured front bumpers. Heated front windscreen, cab air conditioning, automatic windscreen wipers, and then the looks pack will be your upgraded hab door and step, the driver's screen inside, which I'll show you in a minute. So walking round, you've got an awning, which on the brand new ones you don't always get. So it's the 2-lay Omnistar awning, so it is a really good awning. Toilet cassette's just there. Another feature of the looks pack is the external barbecue point, so there's no messing around with your gas tanks. You can just go straight in, get your barbecue on the go with your awning. Here you got a bit of storage, so the garage can be accessed from both sides, and as I say, we'll show you on the way round. Round to the back, and you've got the 2-lay bike rack attachment, rear reversing camera at the top, and a nice little graphic at the back. As I said, on the driver's side, there's your access to your garage on that side as well. So there's decent storage space in there from both sides. There are your fridge vents. So standing from the outside, you know it's a decent sized fridge. Inside here is your gas canister cupboard, where you've got enough room for 2, 1 on and 1 spare. Water in there, and then your electric hook up there. So nice and simple. Your water drain offs are just at the bottom, so Auto Trail do like to keep it nice and simple. It's got alloy wheels as well, and it is in this lovely blue. So let's head on in and show you some of the things that are going on the inside. So your hab door does come with a fly screen, so you can have your door open and still be safe from all the mozzies, as they say in Australia. And then if we jump on in, and we'll start at the front and work our way back. Yeah. So start at the cab. So as we said, it is the automatic gearbox. You've got your Zent 9-inch touchscreen that's got your colour reversing camera. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto should be on there as well. Heated front windscreen, as I say. USB port there, and then your steering wheel, which has cruise control and speed limit control, and then your Bluetooth function control there. It's also got automatic headlights on this one as well. Swivel seats. Yep. And then moving back, so this is your front lounge area, which has got your 2 travelling seats. So it's classed as what we call the side dinette. Now this will form a double bed, and if you do head to the video, to the pictures online when it is on our website later, you'll see the double bed made up, so you'll see how that works, but I'll show you where the infills are in the back. And then you've got your drop down bed there as well. So while you've got your bottom bed made up, you can then electric, so you haven't got to worry about it and mess around with it, and it will drop down to a certain level to then allow you to have your bed underneath. So it's just a massive double bunk bed really. These lift up, so if you have got children in there, they can be secure without any fear that they're going to fall out, and then you just climb up, connecting the ladder to that end just there. So we'll put that back out of the way. Heading into the kitchen area now. So Wendy will just spin round. And you've got quite a decent worktop space, because these glass tops can act as a worktop as well. But then outside of that, you lift them up and you've got a nice big sink, 3 gas burner hob, and then an integrated oven and grill just down there. So no microwave with this one. In here you've got a solar panel controller with your flick switch at the top. Now that'll flick it between leisure battery, vehicle battery, or off completely. Yeah. So you can do that yourself. Decent amount of storage, so there is some cupboards underneath the drop down bed. A couple of cupboards here, and then in here is a place for all your pots and pans. and that's your cutlery drawer just there. Previous owner has put a little handle on it, so it's nice and easy to open and close. All your gas shut-offs will be down in this bottom one here. Into your washroom area. One thing again that's really cool about the Auto Trails is on the bigger ones you do get a separate shower and toilet area, so it's not a wet room as such, but it's nice and big, nice and spacious in there. Something that's nearly as big is the fridge. So if Wendy can flip through and just have a look at that, so you get a nice big fridge, and then you've got a freezer box at the top. Super. Here's your TV point, so you can sit and watch telly there, and then in here you've got your freestanding table, which you can use at the front or the back. Again, something that I like about the freestanding units rather than the ones that secure in is you can take it outside as well. So if it's a lovely day, you can take it outside to have your dinner on. And then in here is a pretty decent wardrobe, and then what we've got is your ladder for your bed, silver screens for the front because there are no cab blinds on this one, but you've got silver screens which will keep the heat in a little bit better. That's your infill for your front bed, and these are also your 2 additions for your front bed. And also if you did place an order on this one, the lads in dispatch will show you how that bed works in your video as well. A little bit more storage under here, so a shelf there, and you can put a little bit of storage there as well, so it's not short on enough space. And then into the back, decent amount of overhead lockers that again are bigger than you think. Yeah. And then this one here, this will slide out to there to then form your double bed at the back. So that's how you get your 6 sleeping. Up here's your control panel where you got your on off, your inside light and your outside light, all your different levels for your batteries, your water pump, and then just go into your menu. And then it has got the whale heating and hot water, which will run off gas or electric. This is a 3-way fridge that will run off the leisure battery while you're travelling, and then gas or electric when you're parked up, depending on where you are and what you want to do with it. And then finally, Wendy's just reminded me, one of the real selling points of this one is the air conditioning at the back. So if it was them 2 days last year where it was like 500 degrees, you might want to use your aircon. If you're travelling abroad, you know, doing a bit of European touring, it could come in useful. So it's a really, really good addition to have. So there you go. There's a quick look round the van. Obviously, all the windows have your blind down, and then you pull again, and you've got your fly screen on your windows as well. So again, nice, clever design that's nice and simple to use. Get them out of the way, or use one or the other. So this will be on our showground today, and also be on our website today as well. So I'd love to show you around it if you want to pop down and have a look around it. If not, pick up the phone, ask for Steve, because these don't come around that often, especially in the 6-berth layout, and it's only 61 grand as well. So it's a really good price for a van that's, you know, just turned 3 years old. So thanks for watching, and I will speak to you very soon. Take care.